Hi YouTubers, I'm back again. I just want to see if this Land Rover Discovery is going to start up. I've done 2 videos already on it. Left it standing, so she's cold. I just want to see if she's going to start up. Then I must just finish up those little small stuff tomorrow morning quickly, and then the owner can come fetch it. Let's see if she's going to start. Okay, let's just get this door unlocked. Oh, come on. Okay, there, I've got the door unlocked now. Alright. Let's see if she's going to start. On glow plugs, and she starts. So she's starting up. It's nice that she's starting up. Cold, is she not smoking? She's not smoking. So yeah. So I'm going to finish up that little stuff tomorrow morning quickly, and getting back to the owner. We've been riding for a few days and see if I'm going to be happy with him. Oh, and I must put a stand shut out person. So she's running at me. I've got to spray her clean. I see she's wet with oil and stuff at the bottom, and let's just give her a clean up. And then we can come catch her, and I can get the other vehicle for an interview. I've got to start with the other motor, so I'll start tomorrow with. A little bit. Bearings in front are very hard on the stand. So yeah. We'll see if he's happy tomorrow with it. I'll come back with the next video tomorrow morning. We'll complete a little work on it, and then I'll hand it over to the owner. See you guys tomorrow morning. Thumbs up and please subscribe if you like the video.